How to change theme in Robinhood. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon, and here there's a section called Settings. Simply tap on Settings. So now we're in the Settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and can even customize it. On the bottom, there's a section of app appearance. Simply tap on it. So this is the place where you can customize it. Here on the bottom, tap on theme. Basically, there are two themes, light one or the dark one. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize. At last, you can simply go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.